Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll see the easiest way how to hide grid lines in Excel, either in the whole spreadsheet or in a selected area. Ready to start? If you want to hide grid lines in the whole spreadsheet, simply click on View tab, go to the section Show, and unselect the option Grid Lines. The grid lines immediately disappear from the whole spreadsheet, and the area looks nice and clean. In case you need the grid lines to be visible in the sheet, you can simply select the option Grid Lines, and they'll be back on, making it easy to navigate through the cells. Now, you might wonder, what if I need to remove grid lines only in a selected area of the spreadsheet? This little tip will do the trick. Let's say we don't want grid lines to appear in the data table. We select the area of the table, go to Home tab, and use the function Fill Color to change the background color of the area to white. How to hide grid lines in a selected area. Thanks to this, no grid lines are now visible in the area we'd selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.